These are some of the most famous photographs ever taken. They are from the Apollo 11 mission. But in all these photos, something is missing. The stars. In fact, in almost every photograph taken in space, and every video, there are no stars visible. Why is this? Let's look at this photograph. Because the moon has no atmosphere, there's nothing to scatter sunlight. The lunar surface and astronaut spacesuits are highly reflective. So when taking this photograph, the exposure had to be set for the most reflective parts of the image. Objects with lower reflectivity appear much darker in the image, like the lander and the starry sky. If we exposed for the night sky, everything else in the photo would look like this. So exposure is why stars aren't visible in photos. But why not in videos either? This is because video cameras are harder to control than still cameras. This person is an American astronaut testing NASA's manned maneuvering unit when he flew about 100 meters away from the space shuttle. Neither photos nor videos were suitable for capturing starlight because he remained the brightest object in frame. To photograph him means missing the stars. According to astronauts' first-hand experience in space, they actually can't see stars in space either. Moreover, the darkness in space is an unfathomable darkness. Like it has texture. You feel you could reach into it, but your eyes see only nothingness. Lunar astronauts all say they couldn't see stars on the moon's surface, except for Earth and the sun. Everything else was black, but there was one exception. In the shadow of the lunar module, when they stood there looking up for several minutes, the cosmos and stars would begin to appear, because the eyes automatically adjust to refocus on bright objects. The same situation occurs with astronauts on the space station when they're on Earth's sunlit side. The brightness of Earth itself and the station's interior lights is enough to force their pupils to contract, preventing sufficient starlight from being detected by their eyes. However, when the station reaches Earth's nighttime region, they no longer have to compete with the sun's brightness. They can go to the dark observation dome and see brilliant stars and the Milky Way with the naked eye. So whether you can see stars in space depends on your position in space, the direction you're looking, and how much light you're exposed to. These factors all affect you, whether in space or on Earth. Astrophotography uses long exposures. Only then can the sensor be fully exposed, allowing as much light as possible into the telescope.